What's up, Electro Buddies? I'm glad to be with you here in my channel again. I'm back with another discussion for you. So in this video, I will be talking about the overview of the CPU packaging companies, the traditional packaging, and the silicon interposer. I will also include about the so-called futures of the packaging industry, namely the 2.5D and 3D packagings, as well as the packaging manufacturing process and the differences between wafer level and panel level packaging. I will also discuss some important concepts about the topics I mentioned earlier. So without further ado, let's go to our discussion. Let's start off with those companies who are responsible in this packaging industry. We have the fabless, which designs chips. Then we have the foundries, which manufactures those chips designed by fabless, but later on, they started the packaging. We also have the outsourced semiconductor assembly and testing, short for OSAT, which also help in packaging. Lastly, we have the integrated device manufacturer or IDM, which does all works from designing to manufacturing to selling their products. We also see how integrated circuitry had evolved from system on chip to multi-chip module to system in package to system on package. Let's move on to the traditional packaging. The pin-through hole wherein the pin is inserted into the socket, such as single and dual inline package, and the surface mount technology or SMT, wherein the solders are located directly on top of the board, such as quad flat package and pin and ball grid array. In terms of silicon interposer, which is classified into active interposer and passive interposer, its structure is also presented in detail. It consists of through silicon via or TSV, redistribution layer or RDL, and under bump metallization or UBM. Now, at this point, let's proceed to the futures of packaging industry. The 2.5D packaging and the 3D packaging, which evolved from the 2D packaging. Both packaging uses active interposer, but 3D packaging have much shorter wiring with reduced interconnect delays and lower power consumption. Next in line, we will now go to the packaging manufacturing process. Under interconnecting techniques, we have the wire bond, flip chip, and interposer. For the wire bond, we have various bonding techniques such as ball bonding, wedge bonding, stud or bump bonding, and thermosonic bonding. For interconnection types, we have the true silicon, glass, or polymer vias, and the bridge. Here are the processes involved in interposer manufacturing. First, we have the photolithography, then we have the etching, going to oxidation, then deposition and filling, going to chemical, mechanical polishing or the CMP. Then we have the redistribution layer fabrication or the RDL fabrication. And lastly, we have the backside processing. The testing is also classified as in-process test like wire pull and die shear test, and post-process test like temperature cycling and X-ray inspection. Lastly, the last topic we have to look at is the wafer layer packaging and the panel layer packaging. The types of WLP are fan-in and fan-out, wherein the latter is classified as mold first and RDL first, while for PLP, it is only fan-out. And that's it. I already summarized them all for you for today's topic. I hope I already introduced to you the background of these concepts. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!